What's up everybody, it's your boy back with another tech review. Today we're diving deep into the world of Apple's newest flagship, the iPhone 16 Pro. As always, we'll break down its features, design, and performance, comparing it to its predecessors and competitors. The iPhone 16 Pro is more than just a phone, it's a statement. Apple continues to push the boundaries of what a smartphone can do, packing this iteration with impressive specs and innovative features. From its powerful A17 Bionic chip to its enhanced camera system, the iPhone 16 Pro is designed to impress. But how does it stack up against the competition? Is it worth the hefty price tag? Let's find out. Stay tuned as we explore what makes the iPhone 16 Pro tick. Let's get right into it. The iPhone 16 Pro boasts Apple's latest and greatest processor, the A17 Bionic chip. This chip is a beast, promising significant performance gains over its predecessors. With a focus on efficiency and speed, the A17 Bionic chip handles everything you throw at it, from demanding games to multitasking with ease. Apple claims this is their most powerful chip yet, and from my experience it definitely shows. Apps launch instantly, games run smoothly, and the overall responsiveness of the device is incredibly impressive. The iPhone 16 Pro also introduces significant improvements in battery life. The combination of the more efficient A17 Bionic chip and a larger battery capacity means you can easily go a full day on a single charge, even with heavy usage. Overall, the iPhone 16 Pro is a powerhouse of a device. It delivers on performance, exceeding expectations, and setting a new standard for smartphone capabilities. Apple has always been known for its stunning displays, and the iPhone 16 Pro is no exception. It features a larger, brighter, and more immersive display. The bezels have shrunk, maximizing the screen-to-body ratio. Promotion technology offers a variable refresh rate up to 120 Hz. This means smoother scrolling and more responsive gaming. The iPhone 16 Pro retains a premium look and feel. It features a stainless steel frame and scratch-resistant glass. Available in sleek colors, it feels great in the hand. Section 4. Picture-perfect camera advancements. The iPhone has always been known for its exceptional camera, and the iPhone 16 Pro takes it to the next level. With a new and improved triple camera system, it captures stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. The main camera boasts a larger sensor and a wider aperture, allowing for more light and detail in your shots. This translates to better low-light performance and vibrant colors. The ultra-wide-angle lens captures even more of the scene. What sets the iPhone 16 Pro apart is its computational photography. The A17 Bionic chip processes images with incredible speed and accuracy. Features like Deep Fusion and Smart HDR4 enhance dynamic range and detail. For video enthusiasts, cinematic mode allows you to shoot with a shallow depth of field and change focus after capturing footage. This gives your videos a professional, cinematic look and feel. Section 5. The iOS ecosystem, seamless integration and beyond. One of the biggest advantages of the iPhone 16 Pro is its seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem of devices and services. Whether you're using an Apple Watch, AirPods, or a MacBook, the iPhone 16 Pro seamlessly connects with them all. Apple's iOS operating system is known for its simplicity, ease of use, and focus on privacy. iOS 17 brings new features and enhancements to the iPhone 16 Pro, further refining the user experience. From improved privacy controls to enhanced multitasking capabilities, iOS 17 is designed to help you get things done more efficiently and securely. The iPhone 16 Pro also benefits from Apple's vast app ecosystem. The App Store offers millions of apps, from productivity tools to games to social media platforms. You're sure to find an app for everything you need on the App Store. Overall, the iPhone 16 Pro seamlessly integrates with Apple's ecosystem of devices and services, providing a cohesive and enjoyable user experience. Section 6. The verdict is in GadgetVox Recommends. The iPhone 16 Pro is Apple's most advanced iPhone yet, offering a compelling package of features, performance, and design. It's a worthy upgrade for anyone looking for the best possible smartphone experience. From its blazing fast A17 Bionic chip to its stunning display and advanced camera system, the iPhone 16 Pro is a force to be reckoned with. It's a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. If you're willing to pay the premium price, The iPhone 16 Pro is an exceptional device that won't disappoint. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the GadgetVox channel for more in-depth tech reviews and analysis. Peace out.